So manufacturing companies are faced today with multiple challenges. First of all, there is a fierce competition in the global economy. On top of that, of course, you have the disruptions of the supply chains due to geopolitical situations. On top of that, you have also increasing regulation on sustainability, on environment, etc. And of course, a lot of manufacturing companies also in Europe are faced with a skill gap. So there are a lot of people that don't have the right skills in order to cope with all the changes that we are faced with. Yeah. There is only one main thing here. In order to stay competitive, you need to be efficient as possible. And nowadays you can achieve this efficiency through digitization. So really manufacturing organizations or other asset-intensive organizations really need to embrace digitization and make sure that their people that they have can operate as efficient as possible. Manufacturing organizations are really hit by those challenges in the maintenance department because there's a big lack of technical talent, technicians and engineers. So they really need to do efforts in order to make these people work as efficient as possible. So they need to provide the right information, they need to provide the right schedule, the right jobs to be done. And of course, what is also important is that the equipment is also digitized. Then you can select which maintenance jobs are really important and are adding value. And thanks to digitization, we can really cope with the challenges ahead.